Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tuli's Biology. So as the name is suggesting, it's a channel for biology. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like the videos, comment on the videos, share the videos with the friends, family and everyone else. And if you have any other topics on your mind which you want an explanation, so you can suggest me that topic in the comment section. So today here I am with a new topic on biology, that is double circulation. We all have an idea about circulation, that is the flowing or the transportation of the circulatory fluid within our body. So in case of humans, this circulation takes place twice. Okay, that's why it is termed as double circulation. So on that topic of double circulation, I'm going to explain. So before watching the video, you make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone. So today I will go with the topic of double circulation. As I've told you, double circulation. But before going to the topic of double circulation, let me explain. What is circulation? Circulation means the translocation of the circulatory fluid. Now that circulatory fluid can be anything or everything like that circulates within the body. Now in our case, the circulatory fluid is blood, but it can be anything. Okay. So this circulatory fluid circulates in the body, which is termed as circulation. Now what does it carry? It carries almost everything. It carries the nutrients, the waste products, enzymes, hormones, respiratory gases. Almost everything are contained or being or circulated by this circulatory fluid. Okay, now this circulatory fluid in our body, that is the blood, circulates in our body 2 times. That's why it is termed as double circulation. Now double circulation consisting of 2 parts or 2 events. Now what are they? First is the pulmonary circulations. First is the systemic circulation. Second is the pulmonary circulation. Okay. Now systemic circulation means the circulation taking place between the body cells and the heart. Body and heart. Okay. Pulmonary circulation means the circulation that involves heart and lungs. Clear? So this is the 2 types of circulation. Now let me explain how is it happening. At first, the deoxygenated blood from the body, it is being accepted by the veins. Okay. So what happens? The entire deoxygenated blood is being received from the veins and it is being deposited or it is being carried to the heart. This is the right atrium. Right atrium, and these 2 are the vena cava. Now this vena cava collects the blood from the upper parts of the body, that's why it is termed as superior vena cava, and this vena cava collects the blood from the lower part of the body, which is why it is termed as inferior vena cava. These 2 vena cava collecting the deoxygenated blood from the veins, which is collecting the deoxygenated blood from all over the body. Now it is entering the right atrium. Now from the right atrium, it enters into the right ventricle. Okay, this is the right ventricle through a valve. Now what is a valve? Valve is a door-like structure which is present over here at the junction of the auricle and the ventricle. It is a one-way structure like a door. It prevents the backflow of the blood. That means the blood can only enter from the auricle to the ventricle. It cannot backflow. That means it cannot flow from the ventricle towards the auricle. It can only flow from auricle to ventricle only. Okay, and there is a valve. What is the valve name over here? The valve is tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve, which is present. Through this tricuspid valve, the deoxygenated blood from the right atrium will go into the right ventricle. Now from the right ventricle through the pulmonary artery, this is the pulmonary artery, these two, both of them, the pulmonary artery. Now arteries always carry oxygenated blood, but veins always carry deoxygenated blood. But this is the exception over here. Here the pulmonary artery is carrying the deoxygenated blood to where? To the lungs for the purification of the blood, so that the blood gets oxygenated. The impure blood or the deoxygenated blood can release of the carbon dioxide and can get oxygenated. After oxygenation of the blood, that pure blood or oxygenated blood from the lungs comes to this left atrium through two pulmonary veins. These are the pulmonary vein. So through these two veins, the oxygenated blood from the lungs comes to the left atrium. From the left atrium, that oxygenated blood enters the left ventricle. Again there is a valve-like structure. What is the name of that valve? It is now termed as bicuspid valve. Okay. Now after this ventricle gets swelled up, okay, the ventricle is filled up with blood. The oxygenated blood now needs to be circulated throughout the entire body. Now this oxygenated blood from this left ventricle will go to the aorta. Okay, that means this one. This is the largest artery of our body. Aorta is the largest artery of the body. Now this aorta carries this oxygenated blood from the left ventricle, and it will circulate this oxygenated blood throughout our body through different arteries. So in this way the blood circulation is taking place, which is termed as double circulation. One is between the heart and the body cells, another one is between the heart and the lungs. Clear? So this is the concept of double circulation. I hope guys that this video or this topic is clear to you people. If you have any queries on this topic or any other topic on biology, feel free to ask me. Okay, please write in the comment section if there is any more thing you want to know about. So I will go with that topic only. So today I am finishing off with this video only. So guys, this was it about the double circulation. This topic is done. I hope I could explain the topic to you people. But if you have any problem on this topic or any other topic, please feel free to tell me in the comment section. And if you have any ideas regarding upgradation of the channel or anything else, you can share those ideas with me. Those are really valuable to me. And please guys, everyone, please subscribe to my channel, like the videos, share it with your friends, family and everyone. So till then everyone, please be safe, secure. So bye bye.